Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. This is Mindy, and today we're in the kitchen cooking up this delicious meatloaf. So keep watching. What I love about this meatloaf recipe is this sauce that I'm making right here. It is so good. It has a sweet flavor to it, sweet and savory. I'm gonna link the full recipe in the description box, so I may not go through all of the measurements right now, but basically we are combining brown sugar, Worcestershire sauce, and ketchup. And this is making our glaze, and we're gonna do this first and set it aside until we need it. Now we are mixing up all of our wet ingredients first, and I wanted to add right here, the recipe calls for barbecue sauce. I had a little bit of barbecue sauce, but not much, so I added some sweet bourbon glaze that I had on hand, and it was just as good. And then as you see right here, I put in a ton of black pepper by accident, and it still turned out good. So even if you mess up the measurements just a little bit, it'll still turn out good. I think this is like a no-fail recipe. So now we have gotten everything mixed up really well, and I have taken a cooling rack and wrapped it with aluminum foil, and I'm poking some holes in it and placing it on top of a cookie sheet. And I'm going to put my meatloaf on top of here, and that way the grease will drain from the meat and keep it from, just sitting in like a puddle of grease. Helps it cook a little bit more evenly and crisp up just a little bit. So that's what we're doing now. And just as a reminder, I will have the full recipe in the description box below with all the ingredients and the instructions. And I wish you would drop me a comment below and let me know how you like this, if you've ever tried it this way. Do you like your meatloaf more sweet and savory, or do you like it to be a little bit more zesty with like the regular just ketchup topping? Drop me a comment in the box below and let me know how you like your meatloaf. I do also want to add that if you are cooking this and you have children, then the onions and the garlic, you may want to try to slice them up or dice them up even smaller, maybe even in a food processor, because that was the one thing that my kids did complain about, was the chunks of onion and garlic. Now, I loved it, but it was a little too much for them. But other than that, they loved and ate the meatloaf. This just turned out beautifully, and this sweet sauce, y'all, was a game changer. I mean, it just took this meatloaf up to a whole nother level. So I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you will give it a like and drop me a comment. That helps my channel to grow. Also consider subscribing to my channel so you'll see future videos like this, and ring that notification bell. That way you'll be alerted when I post a new video, and we can do some more cooking together. Hope you have a great day and take care. Bye, y'all.